Hi, everyone. I'm Doug Jenkins with the Findlay Hancock County Chamber of Commerce, continuing with a series of videos as we all try and find our way through coronavirus and what that means for our business and our personal lives, trying to provide you the most tools that we can and the best possible information that we can so that you can keep things operating to the best of your ability. We're joined by Lindsay Summit from Hancock Public Health, and we're going to be talking a little bit about how restaurants can maintain their operations as we record this video. Of course, dine-in options have been discontinued, but we do know that carry-out options and delivery options are still available, Lindsay. So we'll start from food prep to begin with. Now, obviously, there's a lot of standards that restaurants have to meet. Are there extra standards that they should be employing right now to make sure that they aren't transferring anything to employees who have to be in the kitchen or possibly onto the surfaces that could make it to a delivery?
The main thing, which this is nothing new, this is something that we're talking with them every time we're doing those inspections, is making sure that we have healthy individuals working in those kitchens. So obviously not knowing how fast that this coronavirus is spreading, just making sure that all those employees that are coming into work are actually healthy individuals. If they are showing any of the signs, the coughing, having a fever, working with their manager and making sure that they are not in those kitchen settings and preparing that food. That's probably the biggest thing. And again, that's nothing new. Those are the same things that we're talking to those operators with every day.
And certainly want to be as diligent as possible about those right now. In terms of carry out and delivery, are there extra precautions or things that maybe businesses that aren't used to doing carry out or they're not used to doing delivery, are there things that they should be looking at?
Number one, they're going to want to make sure that they've got that food packaged up, whether it's in a clamshell, which is a normal thing that, the restaurants that are used to doing that are using. The other thing is just making sure that it's a quick transfer, I guess you want to say. People shouldn't be walking in and making that order and then sitting down and waiting for that order to happen. We're, telling people try to do phone-in orders, online orders. Those are nothing new for most places. Also, curbside pickup is another option.
Well, Lindsay, we know that several restaurants are adapting to this, and the thing is we kind of have gone to that gig economy where there have been delivery services that have started here in Findlay and in Hancock County. Certainly, many restaurants, pizza places have been doing delivery here for a long time as well. But let's go back to the DoorDash, the Grubhub, those drivers that aren't necessarily associated with the business. Certainly, they need to be practicing some safety habits here too.
Yes, we want to make sure, again, that those individuals are healthy as well, and that they are practicing hand washing, that they, do have clean hands when they're making those handoffs. Also, if they are going to be sneezing or coughing, that they're doing so appropriately, in their arm or using something to cover those sneezes and whatnot.
What are some resources that restaurants can go to at Hancock Public Health and their website or through the CDC where they can get the information they need as this situation continues to change?
I recommend to follow our website at hancockpublichealth.com, our social media pages, Facebook, Twitter. We have a team right now that's making sure that stuff's up to date as soon as we hear about it. We're doing our best, because as you are well aware, things are changing by the minute. And we're on all the calls with the state health department. We're on all of the calls with the governor's office. So that's the best way. Follow us on our social media sites or our website.
All right, Lindsay, we do appreciate your time today. We know things are very busy at Hancock Public Health with this, not like you guys weren't busy to begin with everything else going on. So adding this into your schedule, we really appreciate it.
Thank you.
All right, and we will be providing these videos throughout the week and giving you the information to help you run your business, help you manage employees, and help your employees manage their home lives as well. While we continue to see where the coronavirus takes us, we'll try and give you the best information we can for those topics all throughout the weekend, throughout the situation. I'm Doug Jenkins with the Findlay Hancock County Chamber of Commerce.